At Elaine Turner, we love our sneakers. And what I find so inspiring is that what people are doing today wearing their sneakers, you can dress them up or down and anything goes. And we've seen huge success in this category. So what I'm excited about for early spring is we've introduced a new style, our new Beatrice espadrille sneaker. And I love it because I think this espadrille detail just adds so much flair to the typical sneaker, and we did it in this awesome navy synthetic satin. So this again can take you from day to night. You can dress this up or down. I mean, all the hip young girls who work in my office are wearing their sneakers with dresses, so anything goes. So you have to be fearless in how you wear your sneakers. And we also did it in our signature python. So at Elaine Turner, you know we love pythons, so we thought there's no way we could not have our python espadrille sneaker. So again, this is a little bit snazzier. I could see this one being dressed up so perfectly with one of our lightweight jackets as well. And our core staple, Maddie, is back in cork. So you know we love cork. It's all about cork. So we have brought Maddie back, and she is one of our top sellers, so comfortable. So I encourage you to try these sneakers and be fearless in how you wear them because they can take you anywhere, literally. Bye guys.